Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Woman European where like Europe who go last time live video do point so near one single girl no date we are like because you are looking for women that have children, that they have any big money. We government they pay big money. Now you the date. You don't date single woman. You have never now I a born way. We may big one is no my kai, I will not my kai beer ra okuna a single mother. Yeah, what that for MSU. How can you be a man? You see woman with husband, they get issue, and you they date the woman, you like the woman. And the woman don't even born for the man when you are involved, they get issue. What you supposed to do as a presenter? What you supposed to do? Not for you to make sure you settle them. You settle their disputes. You go make peace with that home. You go make peace with that home. Instead, now you go pump the woman. And they come for you. This video go too sweet. What are they listening? When I go see Oria,
so
boy with book. Oria no go you boy wa adam yo ya na na video na a voice record no make video na o ni me accuse pass ti no go yi wa ti ni ge o we ni we ẹ̀yin me ma Obigile good I got your name ẹ̀yin me ma no Obigile u de ge nu ho ai u gele ho wa wo ku oku oku ẹ̀yin me ma no Obigile oh god ama pa me jowo ta yin na re jowo u de ga gungwarian okbia no wenye gbe bie na ne una hwe fo na ro wi agbo we hu de asimo agency no mie hu de karo white beauty no mie industry o ma si wa ye track one na ina ri no we na even ma ugo maswa na na she go don leave you now. I dey tell you now, it's just strong baba with the smile ma we if I give you, you must correct your sense. You join together with Ugo to be fighting your baby father. Today where is Ugo? The one will go do you, it go worse past the all your baby father do. Your baby father never play a voice record for live video. Upon all the voice record we did with her, he never sent that to any live video presenter. Make clear. But you go not the player. Am I fiek bagari egbiwe? Epi nyari nyako woye me o. Eyuya degbe eyuya. Iworo degbo juku. If you nyagba yo, if you nyagbe degba gadi go udera agbone. Am I fiek ba na ma ekba wa part 1. Ezokiro ero sunu wa go ran ya. Ugo so akbe voice record you like live video. You see your life. Guy here no David you back. See your life outside. See your dirty character. Single mother with stupidity. A single mother gbe won. Hey man, dey where the man not all. Adam Hugo.
Where I for start now? I for say me I start from Nigeria. No. Me I not start from Nigeria. Me I start from here.
This video, the reason for this video, I go tell you now.
I start out from here. I beg my people, wait no say he be my love.
One thing we don't know. Now me, I been guy. Ugo na my guy. You understand? I know what they do. Past many of them they watch. The video what go they do? Ugo's not doing video say in the fight for the kingdom, or they do is doing video for women. If they do video till they find women. Once they do video, you go over here and must talk. No worry, I'll call you after this video. After this video, I'll call you. After this video, I'll call you. And so you go to the enter their body. Now, so go check all the video. What could they do right from time? He must talk that word for inside. You go to use on a fine single mother. In video, we go video to use on a fine single mother. We go to follow. I go explain no. Now waiting to come up for go mat. Now I go to explain it give now. Look on the year.
Be my lovers.
That's one disgrace
like me. Well,
the most people that falling victim.
Mona comment anywhere. If I wrong, Mokuna give me my mistake. Mona give me my wrong. You understand? Iyo mono hagi agugwa. Iyo mona vieti gugwa. Anywhere we are for wrong, Mokuna tell me. Before I do one video, I can say I want nobody explanation. I want nobody explanation. But as the thing come, they go. Now I can say okay. I go explain for people. Make people can't hear this word. Way from Victor, they talk. Even video way from Victor do yesterday, even include me journal. Now see verses now, not even they talk about himself. So for me to even measure in name self, I know they measure a name. Maybe if he talk the thing we talk, we take pull life for my baby, I not go measure a name. So now from Victor now they find my trouble. And now see me verses now, I no answer them. The only place where for the answer and I be where I go swear juju for them. So you see, I can't look the video this morning. Now yesterday do the video where still measure my name, say I fuck person wife. My brother Mo will start. When I remember one video where me I use my wife to start. Where from Victor do. From Victor say the woman will born for me. He say I collect her for person hand, say na person wife. My people, Mona they listen you. When I come Italy, 2014.
When I share this video, we're gonna listen.
Then as I come, I dey camp. I don't spend
8 months.
8 months for camp. So inside that 8 months, he come for 2015. He come for 2015. So my people, I bet Mona share this video. Mona share am. Facebook not get wetin that they give me. You know, say maybe because of waiting that they find, that make me who go. They find who go help me share. No. Because of this story where I want to talk, so whether they talk against me, now make me they say Mokuna share this video. So it come to 2015. Then I come meet my brother Saboyen. He did Salavari that time. I come Jama. Since when I take come Europe, I never Jama. So I come Jama. Come tell brother Saboyen say, Baba, domo wa talk be, domo sa. We come embrace each other. He come surprise we see me. We come dey happy. I come say, Baba, since when I come Europe, I no get woman. I don't see woman with me and I go see suffer, see the run things they go. So my brother can say, Wala not dey. He go give me 2-person number. I can say, okay. You give me 2-person number. I say yes. Now say okay. Based on those one constantly tell them say they need man, better man will be say it go still follow them. So my people now well done. Now I've called now enter just now. So then when my brother can't give me the 2 number, I can't try the first one. That one no go. When I try the second one, it can't go. So you can't say I take the number. Now say my brother now give me your number. So I want to be me and I see. Happy Sunday, Juliet Love or Digier. I can't tell and say okay. I want me we see so that we will talk. Now camp nowadays. I just new come Europe. You can't say okay. Since still new come since 2015 beginning, which is February or March 90 come. Now say okay, we can't dey talk. Before she come see me, we don't fair talk. We can't talk. So when she come, me and we can't talk. We can't play. So I can't tell her say, you sure say you don't get husband for here? He say no. What of Nigeria? I say no, you don't still get husband for Nigeria. I say, but you tell me for phone say you don't bump one picking because me don't send money to go give that picking. Where papa?
Man, and people, one of the listen, he say, he and the woman don't talk for phone. So he don't even send money go give the woman picking for Nigeria. One of the listen, you never ask the woman for phone, say whether I don't marry, whether I get husband, but you the same money they go to give you picking for Nigeria. Now when you and the woman come see one-on-one, now you dey ask her, you don't marry for here, you say no. You don't marry for Nigeria, you say no. But you tell me say you get picking for Nigeria and they will send out money. Where in papa? Now they listen. Who can't now they listen to this who go word for maths. What who go with the phone? So we're sending go here with Nigeria. Where man no and over here any little around bio and bolok bobio and Ugu. Also my monkey. You understand? We send the go when we toast the phone or buy me one-on-one. But we go phone. We send the go here in Nigeria. We man know the phone where my sister, how you do? I like you. I want it. Are you married? Are you single? The woman tell you say, okay, what you can't talk reach there when the woman can't tell you say, ain't don't get picking before you can't get the access to the send money go they give you picking for Nigeria. Listen, the one where you born for Nigeria, you never send money go give them. We might go girl because we want to talk to them on coin. Because they want coin on the way here or here down everywhere. You understand? Now before team, why do me bring when you want to shine Congo? As you want to shine Congo, the wire low you care. Udogo pero ya we ya hon, but when I Yahoo, we have Yahoo, when we say one in why would I do I know where umodoa, ubienia, bienia, or when it's sending you give Nigeria, the one who bioena, the one one, who will also the platform mountain. I'm going to say a bolo there. Budiamari ma me bolo egbe life video na egun ya sa bolo egbe. You understand? Oh God. Oh, you fire down, my brother. We dey here with you. Nice one.
Say na 8 years. Now he dey way in papa te leave each other.
8 years.
Really? He say yes. Not so.
2 years of money ye. Mine no years no money ye.
Then before he enter Europe, he say na 8 years. Now he leave the man. Then me and the girl can't dey. I can't go know all her family. So my family self, our family constantly can't know my family. Everybody, every be a day.
Every day. We go.
Then
we
can't play for 2 years. Now we take play. She can't born for me. Maybe that my daughter wanna they see for Facebook. She can't born for me. So before then, I did camp that time. So he can't dey one city where they call Genova for Italy.
Yes. So
me come dey from Valencia before Torino after Alexandria. So it's a guess I want bush where they go put us for that for there that time. I come from there, come they see am for Genova. About 10 stop or either 10 or 11 stop after Alexandra. If me and I want to say she self still dey camp. So if me and I want to see body, we'll go down my brother house. We'll go see body. So something can they be like say they did somehow, and because me I be kind of person with this, I don't want me to dey on that person or me person can they use something they all those kind of stuff.
We know.
So I can't
listen.
Wait, did something happen that night? So my woman dey with me. So now my woman come say, okay, honey, wetin go happen? Mo just go rent house. I come say, we I want for see us. We I know for Italy. I don't know anywhere. I knew come. I don't know anything. I said bush they go put us for camp. He come say me I not worry. Say he go find house for our city. She cut through come find house for our city. Where she find house, one room. Then I can't sign out for camp. They can't give me negative. When they give me negative, I can't go give lawyer for that same Genova. So that is how me and Akonte start life. We can't manage that one room there. Meanwhile, she still dey camp. So she can't get belle for me. She can't born. The born girl. Me and all of us, we did together. So no do. Struggle continue. Me and her, we were living as husband and wife. I don't see anybody will come and say, "Na your wife." So one day, my woman come call me, come say, make it a guest who you see today. I can't say, which person be that? He say, "Na baby father." Now say, you see, I say, he say, he surprised we say he come Europe. I say, he say, he can't they try me they talk to her or me touch and he can't they shift go back, tell and say, come. I did husband house, I don't marry. So shift go back somewhere if you want to talk to me. Then when she did my house, me and her did her house, this boy can't call him. This boy call him. He can't pick the call. He can't say, I tell you just they say I did my husband house. So as you call me, so me and my husband I did here. Okay. So that I can say, okay, may no verse, may give her a brother number where he picking day with. The country should give her a number. To God and man, my wife know they receive those ones call again. You know they receive a call. So since that time, I think I'm talking about 6 years ago. Since that time, no, I don't see anybody will say, my wife say as before he come from Nigeria, me will go can't give her belle. Say I fuck married woman. So that is the first lie. That is the first lie we from Victor put for my head. Before I can't do everything.
Beautiful. Bangam. My people. Ugo, when I call Ugo, sit down, make I educate her a little bit. If now your wife they deceive you, me forget sense. Now that woman who for us to deceive you, me forget sense. According to what you the judge of your mouth now. I don't want to add my own sense, so I want to use your own words to judge you. Now, your woman don't leave your husband for the past 8 years before she migrated to Europe. According to you. Now, listen, if you had the word down here, you and your woman don't date again for the past 8 years. Automatically, woman, if husband and wife don't leave each body for 8 years, and that pikin don't reach 8 years old speaking, don't grow, big boy. You understand? That means that relationship don't go. That one will not even a friend of that boy for that same Benin before you even come Europe. Which we know. Let us say this is a woman, a Christian, a good girl, and a very decent girl. Because they train for her house. She don't date anybody and she can't come Europe. Yeah, your husband only get connection. Then they only talk is then. You go to listen to yourself. You let assume say your woman and this baby father don't talk before. As you even jam the baby father for Europe. The baby father want, you know, even the baby father not even get that intention to even say one who grab and one who hold on. Talk about say the woman come say, leave me. I don't deal with, I don't marry. And not even the biggest part for this, I say, your baby father even see your woman with your daughter. You understand? You will see your own woman with your own daughter, and he still insists on even touching her. May they even play love, may they kiss. Before the woman call the sister, say, no, you deal with mine. You know, say don't born from that man. Which is you, I'll go. You go listen to yourself. Oh. Now, if peradventure say that woman are really 8 years, they don't leave each other, you know, the man not get connection, they not get any connection, not get any issue before he migrated to Europe. And that same man enter Europe, still find that woman. Who go now you be the Dundee for a year according to what you talk. I know say you there. Me, everybody knows say you dey lie. You understand? Now you be the Dundee for a year. You understand? For as big as Italy, your wife did for Genova. How that man, if you not the person will not get sense, how that man take no say you did Genova? I mean, you carry from Nigeria, you carry fly account to give down Genova. Where your wife did. But you don't ask your wife that question. When the presenter go talk some issue, if you give a guess, you're not going to blame that presenter. You will pick sense from what that presenter will talk. Because you don't know how that presenter know the secret where you and your wife know. Presenter can't come and come and talk about live video. The secret between you and your wife. Presenter they talk about live video. You're supposed to ask your wife question deeply. As a man, we get dignity for your heart. Man will take responsibility. You go ask your wife, how come this thing leak out on social media? How this presenter know these things? Who you they talk to? And I want you to scatter house with that one. You don't know that one. You they come and call it deny. Call it deny. When you yourself know the truth. You they come and call it deny. The reason why you not think ask your wife because you know the truth. You know that the truth. Because if not the truth, you know who you're supposed to hold. And that's him, your wife. Now you're supposed to hold hosting. Responsible for this issue we come out on here. How did this thing leak out? You understand me? So, okay, that one picture away. But you listen to yourself. Your house wife, your baby mama, you don't marry her. You don't marry her, you don't pay bride price, you don't pay bride, you never do introduction. Your baby mama, see your baby father, your son, papa, or be your son, papa, you want hug, you want to say, you want to continue now, as you don't reach Europe, you don't come, we'll continue. The woman insists because you are the stone block. You see where you sleep with another person's wife. Because that woman and that man supposed to continue their home again as a daughter abroad. But because of you, as your pen so long, you don't put your cassava for there. You don't go germinate. Now the woman can't draw back when you say no. You already born from that person. You dey get me clear, so Ugo. You dey listen to yourself. You dey listen to how you think they collect people wife. You dey listen. That one and number one victim will hold you. Wait for commit offense for there. They listen to yourself will go. And you will explain. I go to judge you with your word. They listen. Go ahead, continue. That one and number one.
Do the mating or whatever. If na married woman, no go say I want to go see family.
You go see family, talk truth. If family accept you, who go talk to the girl family accept you.
That one can still
pass. Quarrel the girl family, they quarrel with the girl. People.
So no do. It get so kind job when I can't do that time. So kind matter where I can't run that time. I dey travel to travel. So when I did Swiss, they can't arrest
me. Which matter? How come?
For Swiss, they can't catch me for Swiss. Then I not even spend let me say 1 month or 2 weeks there for Swiss. So when I reach, I can't say since Italy not give me paper, they not give me documents. Me I go Germany. As I want to go, now my wife say no, he go follow me go Germany. I can't say okay. He must follow me go say if tortoise get up, he go carry your horse back, follow body.
I'm like
say I want to live in Peking. Now I can't say okay. Mo go start new life. Immediately I just ready say make I start to the commot. Now my lawyer call me say may I come court to say that they call me. I court say maybe na the matter where they for catch me for Swiss. Now they call me for. When I reach there, I can't talk to the judge. We talk everything finish. Now my lawyer give me hand. They say congratulations. They don't give me 5 years documents. Really? Now I say yeah. I can't be happy. So I can't go process the document can't come out. My people, one of the listing, oh, me and a day house. So when my document don't come, I can say I don't already make up my mind. Say I go Germany. I must go that Germany. Now I take give my wife second belle. Belle can enter. So belle don't date 3 months and be 4 months. Now we enter road. We come Germany. So when we reach Germany, God constantly they do one for us. God they do everything for us. We did together. Then I can't see one girl. The girl this to God. I not go measure her name. So when I go still follow me that time now. See,
yes. See the girl this to God. I not go measure her name. The name which no one mentioned, I mentioned just now for me. You understand? The reason why she fear to mention that name because social don't threaten him to go. It's not social will call me today. If I call you go, threaten you go. Say no one hear from him name for a man for him all in live video when they do for social media. You understand? You know the reason why? Because we go get well, for me know who go name for documents. Name with the vice, you know. You understand? If you use on donation, if they feel me so, that's the reason why they fear to say you know mention your name. You feel me? And I was so happy today. I will get 100% right now to measure for me name well on her. Because that society is threatening you, don't still come into. When I explain to her, I turn the table around for her. Then you go to investigate the woman when you give house to. What thing they use that house to do? You understand? Tomorrow now we'll hear say, now someone come your house, he carry knife, he threaten you. Now someone come your house, he carry knife, he stab the woman to death. We're not gonna know what thing those women they use those house they do. This time around, all those kind of nonsense what they do for all those single mother, those kind of yaman single mother. This is what they use on house they do. Now we'll stop and ask about this man sitting down. As far as I'm sitting down, unless I don't know your city. If I know your city, now me go radio your social. Right now, don't get that leg. While you work in media. You understand? So that one picture way. Continue, my brother.
See the one girl when I engaged for train station. Do I come meet the girl? Before I meet that girl
when you engage for train station.
I call from Victor. That time from Victor, they follow me. From there, he can start to do.
Bam. Now then I drag my attention on this video. You understand? Now this place we want to do now like so. Now I drag my attention on this video. Now here the course we will go. Right for this topic say make that motor accident. Now here go for that because everything we want to talk so and the pure lie. We not listen to.
Do live video, when they begin the insult he head that time, then they can't settle two of us. So
I will listen. He said that time me they do live video. He said me they follow him. He said me they do live video. Me can they insult himself. Me can they insult him. They can't settle two of us. Now see how this guy did lie. Who go they do live video? They insult Eddie Murphy. When I know who go for this Germany, who go they do live video? They insult Eddie Murphy. Now they say copy the way at that time. They insult Eddie Murphy. The first day where I don't mention Ugo name for my live video, the first time when I mention Ugo name for my live video. Now when Ugo do video concerning German First Lady, say na German First Lady they dance so, wait till Maya they sing. Uku, when I go remember that video, now go bring that video come out. Say na German First Lady, when I see woman where their husband has, when I see woman where saying their husband has, he can't they insult German First Lady. When I can remember that, when I go see flash that video back. I came out when I go investigate that video. Come and say, no be German First Lady did that video. We call the talk us show me say, nah, German First Lady. If you go in there, get something because you know, see the way you smoke, you know, they make you remember something. I will remember you all the conversation between you and I from the day we are used to the talk. They listen and back with a smile. I know the record person. But this call with this say the shine, so the record pass another thing. Now, when I investigated matter, I said, don't be Juma first did that video. I came out categorically on Ugo. Say Ugo. So you know within yourself, say not be this woman did that video, but you can't try to spoil this woman name because you just hate this woman. I said, my brother, that's the way you do so, it's not good. Automatically, you want to drive this woman home for husband house. If the husband a responsible man, he go pursue that woman home for husband house. My brother, go apologize to that woman. That was a message to Ugo. That was my first day where I do that video. And after I do that video, I leave her. Me and me talk. The second day when I go start to talk. Now Andrew Omofoma, 2019, when they insult Andrew Omofoma. This same Ugo and the other masses, Andrew Omofoma called them to talk to me. He said that they be Andrew Omofoma boys. Andrew Omofoma will say, I'm going to track you down in that Germany. I'm going to track you down in that Germany. Andrew Omofoma was thinking I was living in Germany, not knowing I was already in Italy. I just stay from my boy house that time. My boy now accommodate me for house. The day when I want to go talk, I now beer palo I did for Italy, for Brescia, via Cancino. You understand? Opposite one store, one Italo store. Familiar store. Now there I sit down, they drink beer. After they drink beer, that masses do video, they insult me. And they watch him. And they will try to cut in for a video, you know, pick. After the masses true for a video, I enter my home. I fire the masses back. They will not be friends. I don't know them before. Mind you, Andrew Omofoma had already called them. Tell them, say, wanna help me find this guy. This guy is Germany. You understand? Wanna help me find this guy is Germany. Then, as the Damas is doing you bad, finish, immediately Ugo called me and Ugo they watch. Ugo called me. My brother, I said, I don't know from what he ban. Na so me I go to start up. He called it. Ugo was begging me to leave that Abraham because me, when I decided from that time, if I did Charlotte where I do Bonjourno, where they beg money and they do my video, I go they beg for you go give me $1, but Bonjourno, senior, if you give me 1 cent, I go use that 1 cent to cost Abraham. That's why I beat Abraham reach that year, 2019. If I did on that tree, I go do that tree with my cap there, I go fire now. When Ugo they watch, Ugo now they follow me. If they watch me, he can't come say, my brother, like, oh, I don't know from my team, maybe go and go, you know, why I beg, no, they sort of this old man, I beg, you know. The next say, you can't now also even the masses just do a video finish. And so you take conference, the masses join me. The masses go they watch this video and they listen. That's what the masses take come as mass, but the masses come and say, bros, no, but no verse. Because then they come conference. Peace man, ambassador, peace man. Saga must stop. You come conference now. We come before for that conference call for messenger conference call, group call. They come beg me to make arrest. Make I forgive Andrew Omofoma. That how we talk. He come beg. I say beg me for now because no problem. I don't hear. Since now be old, but they don't think they do. They make me the first. They know they act like mature people. So now, okay, now we the young guys, these 4 of us within this group now, will be presenters. I want you just to take beg now. Let me bring that idea. This man go fit testify, the Damas go fit testify. That's why you just to take beg now. Our live video, when we use on to protect our kingdom. If all these old men, they throw man, they go to give the kingdom. We will they come after them, they insult them. They cause it on truth. Only the Damas they not join. The Damas not support. You understand? He did a group, but he don't support that movement. The rest of your back, because no problem. We should currently stand. We currently the one. Inside that group, of this one, now they see the way the band start. Now go called me. They automatically now start the group. Now just want me and him they to call. He bring the masses. He bring peace man, will come before. Automatically not the group. From there, the next evening again, he called the same group again. After we don't talk finish, I don't tell her say I don't forgive, I don't rest. I'm on the verse again, on the quarter again. I don't rest. We cut the call. The next evening, we go still call the same four of us group. 4 of us they talk. We call this one with the gist, they laugh. You know they laugh. Mind you, When Ugo they always do video, that same woman Fumi, they always they follow Ugo. And they always hear when they say, my beautiful sister Fumi, my love, this one, this all the women where they follow, they praise them, they worship women, they praise women. That was his motive on his live video. You understand? Then before I know what's in the happen, Peace Man, I make that statement. I never forget. The four of us, they group with the gist. Peace Man goes, oh boy, this group just they boring you. Now let guys, I will be your bonus. So the guy to throw the word. It was just a joke. He said, I will be your bonus. And nobody even did it. Not even guess why. Not even miss people. I call it a similar relax. This group will go do one. We will teach our children how to speak our language. We will do one that we will teach our children how to speak our language. Immediately, Dada Masses can open WhatsApp group. Beloved Brothers. That was the name of that WhatsApp group. Beloved Brothers. You understand? United Brothers. It was United Brothers. Before the Damascus go open this Beloved Brothers organization with this. So now United Brothers. Then the Damascus open. Now 4 of us that WhatsApp group. What we will do there? How to teach our Peking, how to speak our language. We do the bomb for Europe. We teach our Peking. That was the motive I bring out on that group. Before we know what they are for the messenger group, we don't bring women come before we see women don't they jump in, don't they fly in, piam. Different women, different type of women, don't they come the group without plenty. Beam. We all the Padama, this one Frank Victor, this one Frank Victor, this one not good though. This one we were just like that, just the cash fund. If you cool evening like this, I go see that they look. Me not good. You know, some women wear your dress, I just sagara for that group. And that normal, hey, madam, when you go dress, wear all those kind of things, they play. Before we know what they happen, my people, they don't defend themselves for the group. They don't choose themselves for the group. Then we go come bring out opinion. Now, all the women, if now 4 women they group, 4 men they group, all the women want to choose a boyfriend. Now, no man, I don't want to hear say people they drag person wife for you. You choose your boyfriend. Everybody was choosing. Me, I not choose. That same Fumi not choose. You understand? The 2 of us not choose for the group. And after the group, as a sharp guy, now I call it Fumi. Babe, I was the level. Then I started the rapport with her. They toast her. They give her sweet words. You know the story. And they get position here to put normal level. They get balanced diet. I see position here put level start. So they talk to each other. Immediately, they get the way you listen to Germany. You understand? They can't send me a WhatsApp number. We started to talk for WhatsApp. This one will talk so in the evening we go still call the group. Me and the girl will see the group. I call the girl say, come on, I want to do all those kind of group relationship that they do. So if you don't see me and you with a date, and between me and you, all those kind of relationship they got the carry for social media, I don't need them. If you need them, you get okay, no problem. It was a private between me and the girl. When we did the group, nobody will know say we did. Only me and the girl they choose. I don't forget girl codedly and the girl that follow me the group. Then another girl got they choose me for the group saying like me. And I'm going to follow, they will put definitely the girl with me and put me and any friend go the most diverse. So if I deny the girl will say, oh, you when you deny me, you're not person your marriage, you call it go start. We go call the verse. All these things they go for the group. All these things where they talk to all of the way the group they listen. No they lie. If they forget to memoir, this one will make no that's to say memoir they forget things. Everything we on go on for that group, I go they analyze and people now today. When we go, they call the talk now, say, now you send me, let me go toast get. You understand? When they listen, when I make continue go.
When I meet Frank Victor, because they cut the story short. So all of us can't do it together. I can't tell Frank Victor, say, Frank Victor, this girl we did this our group. So and that group, now me open the group. But Frank Victor, I don't the group don't they exist before I invite Frank Victor come.
I see where like they.
Frank Victor come join us for the group. All of us come there with a peace man.
I see where life for the start.
So inside that group, one of my ex-girlfriend with Dave France, that one still there. Then Frank can't say, I can't tell Frank, say, Frank, this girl, so I like this girl, the way she take they do. I beg. Help me beg this girl, make this girl date me now. Although I get wife for house.
Jesus.
Like me a woman, I dey house.
One of the listeners, he said he called Frank Victor, Baba with his man. Say, I beg, help me beg this girl, make this girl date me now. Make it date him, Ugo. Can you imagine? As this grown-up man just big like this, you go call your own friend, say, make it help you go toast the girl, come. As what? As your errand boy. When they listen to great lie, when the person just lie, Ugo, when you go stop all this evil, when you go just face reality, maybe you become normal human being. Why you go stop? When you go stop all this evil, so you can't call me, say me when not the fit to fuck Nash. I go call the girl for your presence, even for the presence of everybody. I want to say, babe, my guy say like you. Normal level. Why you go the lie? I go say you call me for secret. Maybe go call talk to Fumi for you. Say you like Fumi. When I listen to what you talk.
But I still like this girl. Help me beg him. Whether I go date me. Frank can't follow my back. He can't go to toast the girl. The girl can't tell her instantly, say, not be you in the fine, not be you in want. The person where you want, where you mad carry, you never talk to her. Say, now that kind of person in the fine, not be person like you. Frank can't begin to beg. Because all the conversation, the girl sent down for me. That time, you don't say all of them are still in my computer. So,
continue.
No do. I can't see say Frank go the where the girl they go tell the girl say me who go. I tell them say what they use they do. Say the girl na they no yeah they who what they use they do. Me who go. Frank go come my side, he go tell me say who go the girl say you too small for her. He say you too small for her. Wetin they use you they do. Is you too small for her now. Go. I see you fine, so you will be fine boy. What you want use that old woman to do? No see around with Benny Sirani. I say no. Okay, no see around with he come away. He like it. My brother, he like it. Yes, see around with be. He see around or be igualo. No ruwe hoy my kwa yigbe nyakirikiri. Then on a very good day my wife come catch us, say yes, I get girlfriend for her side. So I called to beg my wife make it no verse. Say I just may no verse. And then no man must lie give his wife.
Now people, hey God. No man me wo ri wa pon resien ni wa na ye won yi nu re ba wo ri ni emi nu ya sien. Okay now. Well, listen o. He says send me baba with his mommy go toast the girl. Go tell the girl I'm not tell her say go why you didn't yahu. So after I don't still tell you all those things, I can't still come meet you, Ugo. Me and you can't talk for phone. Or there even you must die by a motor accident. Or about how bad and book us a matter. Ogunu wo ogbo ni oguni must ogbo. Or you know what time. Oguni no wo ogbo when you want to toge matter no matter. Una wo toge yo oguni na wo to gun ha must ogbo. Oguni must ogbo. Oguni no ogbo. Oguni is ogbo. Oguna me ogbo. Oguna me no ya tie ni almost ogbo. Oguna me so low we ni o ri toge. Udega no we ni oguna me so low we no toge ko. Again, give me. He was toasted, and then he toasted again was in Frankfurt. That day, he could have Frankfurt. He couldn't have in Frankfurt. This guy was doing decorative. All those things in decorative with canopy. She did decorate chair for Frankfurt. In the middle of the night, it was a night party. Ugo, regarding about how this man, not forget one thing. I will tell you everything will inspire between me and Fumi. When I talk to this girl for phone, the girl in Melo, she did with, and when I told this girl, she was not only there, she did there with her friend, to be an Deborah. She and her friend ended together. Oh boy, I don't feel to do fucking ass. I not can't tell her what's in the fine. You understand? As I talk to the girl, finish, the girl agree. Bangam, with the follow up. Then I don't feel talking what if every quarter come. Ugo, why you dey lie? Why you dey lie? The only time where I call Ugo, now when the girl send 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira, now naira not be euro, 10K, 10,000 naira, go give my dad. You understand? He sent out my junior brother account. As my brother come and say, one person send money for enter your account. Oh. Now I say, now be saying, I be like, now the girl I give your account number to make I call her. I call her. She calls in her shit. Now there I call Ugo. Now I tell Ugo, so go. This girl we did this group. But this girl bust my brother 10K for my brother account. But let me thank her. Tell her say my dad not joking. Need to not deal with me now.